So I've decided to use my Hope floating rotors on my SRAM Code R front brakes. Why I use this float rotors in a 203 millimeter diameter is due to the fact that I was using it on my Canyon Neuron. Somehow when I sold the bike, the owner didn't want to top up $50 for the Hope rotors front and back. So I'm just trying to see whether the installation works well. So what I did was to actually use 3 additional spacer, 6mm spacers for the screws itself. Then soon we'll do a sound test. So literally, as you can see, there isn't any sound. So it goes well.